Hello, class. My name is Miss Evans, and I'm here today to have a little bit of fun while we learn. Today, we are going over and learning exponents and square roots. Okay. Um, some of you are familiar with this, and some of you may not be familiar with it. But if you have any questions about it, you can feel free to ask me and stop me during this video.
Today, we're going to talk about exponents and square roots in just a minute.
Just a minute.
What do you guys
You're already
know
familiar
about?
with math operations like multiplication and division. Exponentiation is another operation. It's indicated by a number or exponent placed to the upper right of another number or base. The exponent tells us to multiply the base by itself a certain number of times. Here's an example. We read
Okay, class, where is the exponent located? In the upper right corner of the number.
this as 3 raised to the 4th power. 3 is the base, and 4 is the exponent. To perform the operation, multiply 3 by itself 4 times. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 81. 3 raised to the 5th power is 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, or 243.
So, an exponent is a number multiplied by itself multiple times.
3 raised to the 6th power is 3 multiplied by itself 6 times, or 729. As you can see, exponents form huge numbers very quickly. Raising numbers to the 2nd power is particularly common. We call this squaring. So 3 squared is 9, and 9 is the square of 3. Just as division is the inverse of multiplication, an operation called taking the square root is the inverse of squaring. This operation is represented by the radical sign placed over a number called the radicand. Here we ask ourselves what number multiplied by itself will yield the radicand. Since 3 multiplied by itself is 9, 3 is the square root of 9.
So, when you are looking at square roots, the number that it is multiplied by is what? The same as itself. It's always multiplied or divided in the case of square roots by itself, okay? What is a number like, say, 2? 2 squared would be what? 4, correct? Because it is multiplied again by itself. Got it?
What's the square root of 25? What about 36? What about 49? What about 64? Called the radicand. Called the radicand, guys?
Okay, class. This is it for today about square roots and exponents. We're going to have a little bit more discussion about this in future topics. But today we had a little fun. We multiplied numbers by itself multiple times, which yields us a squared number or a squared root. Okay, class, it was fun. Have a great day. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or raise your hand, poke me, comment, Miss Evans. Thank you.